Okay. Daniel, move your video rocker back a little bit. I wish I'd have videotaped her opening her MP4.
I probably didn't know.
You can just rip it.
Did you put it in enough bag?
Well, that red one was see-through.
What is it?
She's not sure yet. What is it, Amber?
A chair?
What kind of chair?
One that you sit in.
It's Papasan or Papazian or something like that. It opens up into a big globe, like you can curl up in that chair.
My teacher has one of those. Well,
You like that?
That's really good.
So I think you'll need the space in your room. How about getting a fan for your bed?